Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 7 in my 12 Days of Christmas series, we're going to be working on this Opulent Ornament Water Marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my water marble today, I'm going to be using finger paints polishes. My base color, which I'll also be using in the marble, is Beverly's Touch. This red is Cubism Crimson. This green is Evergreen Dream. And then I'll be topping the marble with Sparkle Top Coat. Once I have my base color applied, I'm going to protect around my nails with liquid latex as well as tape. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is built, I'm going to go from the center out to 2 sides and then draw in some chevrons. Once I've got the design drawn in, I'm going to go ahead and line up my nail, kind of orienting these vertically on the nail, and then I'm going to go ahead and dip in. Use my orange stick to clear any excess polish from the surface. Then I'm going to slowly pull my finger out, remove my protection, and move on to the rest of my nails. Once I'm done with all my nails, I'm going to clean up under my nails as well as any large areas on my finger with a Q-tip dipped in acetone, and then move in closer for any detailed cleanup with my usual small brush. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to apply the sparkle top coat. And finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how these turned out. I think the red, green, and gold are such a great combination for Christmas, and I think the gold shimmer topper pulls them together even more. I do want to give you guys a little bit of flashlight time so you can appreciate all of the shimmer. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, which also has a bunch of water marble testing, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. Or if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.